Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show a short video on this absolutely stunning Yamaha RD350LC. Here we have a Yamaha RD350LC. This is a 1980 machine on a W plate with just 12,353 miles and only 323 miles since a full engine rebuild. This bike is in immaculate condition and is in, well, standard condition really, other than the addition of the Pro-Am top fairing, very much of the period, and the belly pan, of course. All finished in the Yamaha white and two-tone red. It's an absolute beauty, this bike. It's been restored lovingly using genuine Yamaha parts, right down to the standard exhaust silencers, as you can see there. The wheels, which are the right colour, black with the chrome finishing. Rear tyres, got loads of life left on it there. There's no blemishes on the rear panel there at all. Likewise on that side panel there. The kickstart and the brake lever, well, they are original Yamaha items and are exactly the right colour. Lots of these bikes have chrome items and they were originally that sort of greeny grey colour, which this bike has. There's the rad, this being the LC, of course, liquid cooled. The forks finished in the original finish along with that front wheel and the front mudguard in tip-top order as well. That Pro-Am fairing we spoke about, that's in great order as well. A little screen on top. Original Yamaha indicators and the mirrors there, as you can see, along with all the original switch gear. Are the clocks. The trip is set to the running in distance since that engine rebuild. There's a couple of tiny blemishes on the petrol tank, but they just add to the patina, if you like, of this lovely old motorcycle. An absolute beauty, this, and very, very much collectible. This would look great in anyone's collection. If you like your Yamaha two-strokes, and this is definitely one for you. No blemishes on the levers or the bar ends or the mirrors there. The side of the petrol tank in great order. Likewise, the wheel there, and the forks unmarked. Rad cover. Everything on this bike is absolutely lovely. The detail on it is superb. It's an absolute gem. As you can see, no rips, tears or blemishes in the seat. There's one of the chips I was talking about in the tank, but it's really, really minor. And there's just a tiny one there at the top. There's that left-hand silencer, again in great condition, just like the rest of this bike. If you are looking for a collectible, then really take a very long look at this bike. This is an absolute stunner. It's the best one I've seen by a long, long way. And if you're looking at a Yamaha two-stroke to add to your collection, look no further than our RD350LC. So I've come outside to start this bike up. Obviously, we love the smell of two-stroke as much as the next person, but we can't have the showroom full of it. So I brought it outside. Let's fire this one up and have a listen. Beautiful. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our modern classics are prepared to MOT standard and have a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful RD350LC, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.